Hi, my little friends. Today we will learn two-letter words. Two-letter words are also known as consonant and vowel blend and CV blend. Now let's try to put a consonant and a vowel sound together like this. B, A makes ba. F, A makes fa. Let's see. B, A, ba. B, A, B. B, E, B. B, O, ba. B, A, ba. Very good. We can do this with all the consonants like da, de, di, do, da. Sa, se, si, so, sa. Now you practice all the letters blend till you know them well. We will meet in next lesson to see the words made from three-letter blends with short a sound. Bye for now. Thanks for watching.